Bruh, did you just sneeze on me? Yes, I did. Ah, I know what you're thinking. You think I got the coronavirus, don't you? Why does everyone keep thinking that? Just because I sneeze and cough doesn't mean I got coronavirus. I didn't think you got coronavirus. I know you got coronavirus. Because you just sneezed. Everyone who sneezes has coronavirus. Everyone who coughs has coronavirus. Oh, does anyone get you? Calm down. It's just a cough, man. By cough, do you mean sneeze, idiot? Or whatever you wanna call it. Just, I haven't got coronavirus or anything like that. Just that's it. That's it. Sneeze. Sneeze again. Sneeze a freaking again, because I'm gonna blow your stupid head off and your stupid mouth off and your stupid brain out. I'm gonna shoot right now. Oh. It's not even worked. Ah! I should have checked my ammo before I came here. What are you gonna do now, mate? That goose. Oh. Get back here! Oh. You get back here now! No, I'm not letting you take me! Get back here! Get back! Take me! You like coughs and sneezes? Because I actually did have the COVID-19.